A new Tennessee law is shaking up the healthcare landscape, and not everyone is on board. In a surprising move that's stirring debate across party lines, Representative Reneau has publicly diverged from her Republican colleagues over the recently passed Medical Ethics Defense Act. This legislation, backed by Tennessee's GOP supermajority, grants healthcare professionals, institutions, and insurance providers the legal right to refuse medical services if those services conflict with their deeply held moral, ethical, or religious beliefs. But here's where it gets controversial. The law doesn't just apply to procedures like abortion or assisted suicide. It's broad enough to potentially impact a wide range of medical decisions. That means a doctor, nurse, or even an insurance company could legally decline to offer or cover treatment based on personal convictions. Supporters argue this protects providers from being forced into actions that violate their conscience. Critics, however, warn that it opens the door to discrimination and denial of care. Representative Reneau's break from her party signals growing discomfort, even within conservative ranks, about the implications of this law. Her stance suggests concern for patient rights and equitable access to care, especially in a state already grappling with healthcare shortages and disparities. The Medical Ethics Defense Act has already sparked real-world consequences. One Tennessee woman reported being denied prenatal care because her provider objected to her being unmarried, citing religious beliefs. Stories like this are fueling fears that the law could be used to justify refusals of care based on lifestyle, identity, or personal circumstances. And this is the part most people miss. While the law includes exceptions for emergency situations and contractual obligations, its vague language leaves room for interpretation. That ambiguity could lead to inconsistent application and confusion for both patients and providers. So what's at stake here? The balance between protecting individual conscience and ensuring patients receive unbiased, comprehensive medical care. Should personal beliefs ever override professional responsibilities in healthcare? Or does this law represent a necessary safeguard for providers in an increasingly complex ethical landscape? Let's open the floor. Do you believe the Medical Ethics Defense Act protects freedom or threatens fairness? Should Representative Reneau's dissent be a wake-up call for lawmakers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is a conversation worth having.